Si, si, ça s'appelle l'alcool, il a crevé il y a comment... You know, just take it off my battery, all that good crap.
Oh, I don't even want to look. No.
Can you give her some gas? See if she'll fucking
Oh!
So if I turn this way, okay, or this way.
You know you got f***ing problems when pistons coming out of your header. That's not good.
As you can see, there's no door handle here. That's for security reasons.
Băi, și prost, cum face? Dă-te, Draco!
Pachet, cala, aquela machete, tá da crata aqui.
Here you can search for fuel in a specific city, look for a particular brand, or find the cheapest gas. Otherwise,
The frame's going off that shitty.
Oh.
Holy shit. God damn, bitch. And this ugly ass nigga don't see it right here.
only $3.59 a bag. The Garden Expo was on this weekend at Mitre 10 Mega.
Holy f***ing shit. Get a load of that. It's f***ing everywhere. Oil. 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 Want some oil? Yeah.
Oh no, what's this? Oh no. Oh f***ing no.
See?
Oh, that ain't good.
Oh!
Stupid. This is not gonna work.
It's gonna work.
No, it isn't.
That's how it's done, and it's finger looking good. Early Tuesdays only at participating restaurants.
Oh, I'm
11 September to
scraping out.
October 20.
Faster?
Quality brake job. Look at this. That's the caliper.
This is what happens when I try to turn the wheel. What the is going on?
Shit is still draining. Never seen anything like this in my life. Fucking pudding.
Chalk that up, Dix.
Shit. Oh my god.
Life feels perfect. Other day, the right, the wrong, in between.
I got it. Oh.
What the? What?
This thing won't stop beeping. Okay.
Check this out. You hear the music, right? Right?
Fire it up!
So we just cut the catalytic converter out of my ML55. Do you think it's worn out?
Right, that's the rear diff. That oily looking thing, which is meant to be fixed in place. So I'll just put that pry bar in there.